chickpea all crushed. I have carrots, cilantro, green pepper. Oh, sorry, green onions, red pepper, yellow pepper. This is kale, chopped kale. So I'm going to use that. I also have the seasonings. So this is the thyme. This is the chili pepper, crushed chili pepper. This is salt. Yes, guys, I'm using salt. Wow, I know. Usually I hardly ever, hardly ever use salt. So yeah, this here is the turmeric. Yes, and I have a little bit of flour for binding. Guys, I ran out of chickpea flour, but because I'm already using chickpea, I figured, you know what? Use regular flour. As they say, use what you've got in your kitchen. That makes it your own. So yeah, that's the ingredients. I'm not going to use eggs. So it's going to be a truly vegan, healthy breakfast. Now I was thinking of baking it, but I think I'll just fry it instead because it'll be quicker. And fingers crossed, it comes out really, really good. So continue to watch and join me while I prepare this beautiful breakfast slash lunch or brunch healthy meal. Okay, so you're gonna put in the chickpea, smashed chickpea. Then we're gonna put the kale. Then I'm gonna add the carrots, cilantro, all that good stuff in there, the peppers. Yep. See how that looks? Beautiful. Then I'm going to add in all of the seasonings in there. Just give it a little mix. Mix that up. Commingle all the ingredients is what I say. Yeah, just mix it up together. And I'm going to add the flour. So hopefully the flour binds it. And it could become the patties that I'm looking for. Yeah, okay, that looks like it's doing what I visioned it to do. Yeah, like if you want, you could add a little bit of coconut oil to it or whatever you want. But I'm thinking I won't, only because I am going to fry it instead of baking it. So guys, look at that. Doesn't that look nice? All the colors. Oh, you know how your girl do it. So yeah. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put it here on the flat surface. So now let's see if we can make little dough balls out of it. Let's see how much we get out of that. Let's make balls. Because sometimes you just want to eat something different, not always the egg, not always the bread or the bagels. Yeah, so let's try this out and see what happens. None shall go to waste, guys. None shall go to waste. All right. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. Nine's not bad. So now I'm going to turn on the stove. Put it on like almost medium while I just wash my hands. Okay, while my oil is warming up, I'm just going to smash these a little bit because they're supposed to be patty-like form. Or cookie-like form. Smash a little bit of that. Yeah, it's perfect. Make sure it stays in like a circular shape as much as you can. Wow. It kind of looks like cookies, doesn't it? Oh, wow. So colorful. Wow, that looks good. I hope it tastes as good as it looks. Guys, I have a little bit of flour to make sure it doesn't stick to my hands, okay? Oh, so you get points. See? Got 11 points on Google. And repeat, guys, until it's all done. Wrong way.